Turkmenistan is the homeland of warm-hearted Türkmen people residing in the ancient lands of the Great Silk Road. A wealthy land bestowed the world with windfast Akal Teke horses and faithful Alabe sheepdogs. Turkmenistan is a well-visited destination where the native people skillfully elaborated each pattern of the finest Türkmen carpets. Today, traveling along distant roads, guests are pouring in from all over the globe, transforming our white-marbled Ashgabat into one of the world's favorite destinations. The political, economic, cultural, and social achievements earned by Turkmenistan are bespoken in the beautiful image of Ashgabat, which gracefully hosted the 2017 Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games last year. Those high ambitions attained during such a short period for the history of humanity were embarked on by our wise president, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. From September 30th to October 5th, 2018, the 55th Asia-Pacific Broadcasting Union, ABU, General Assembly and associated meetings are to be held in Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. About 600 media officials, specialists and professionals from over 70 countries and regions will come together and exchange their opinions, ideas and experiences. They will discuss the important issues of media and broadcasting in Asian and Pacific regions, seeking for new ways of constructive decision-making and close cooperation. Turkmenistan is one of the full members of ABU family, properly fulfilling its membership obligations before this organization. The TV and radio broadcasting network of Turkmenistan currently operates 7 TV channels and 4 radio channels. Noticeably, the multilingual Turkmenistan TV channel reaches the world community in 7 different languages, such as Türkmen, Russian, English, French, Chinese, Arabic, and Persian. Moreover, Türkmen TV network maintains close cooperation with Turkish TRT, Russian Rossiya 24, French Euronews, and Chinese CCTV, as well as the state TV networks of Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic, and Belarus. Organizing this significant bunch of meetings in Ashgabat, located at the heart of the Great Silk Road, will clear the way to the less revealed immense potential of our country, sparking off new opportunities for international cooperation and regional developments, resting upon the solid history of age-old political, economic and trade centers such as ancient Merv, Koni Ürgenç, and Nisa fortresses, all inscribed in the World Heritage List of UNESCO. Our Turkmenistan is the 4th largest country with natural gas reserves, boasting enormous oil fields along the Caspian coastline. Such potential wealth is the assurance of the bright future of the country and adjacent regions. Our summery homeland is settled at the hub of the tourism bridge, bringing together the peoples of the East and the West to deserve a place at the golden chain of world culture and civilization. Rising from the sun-scorched Garagum Desert, dinosaur-inhabited Koten Dağ, lofty Kopet Dağ ranges and soothing Avaza beaches, the tantalizing taste of the travel industry is inflamed with 5-star accommodation, yacht clubs, and other sports and recreational facilities to welcome travelers from all over the world. A guest is a godsend, a saying of Türkmen wisdom. Now, the saying becomes true as Turkmenistan greets our dear guests with all due hospitality. Welcome to the country of the golden sunrise.